Let's learn how to record your classes in Koala Go. Koala Go has a relatively simple but easy to use recording function. Simply click on the Start Recording button at the top left of the screen. To stop the recording, you can then click where it says Record at the top, and it will stop the recording. Something that's really important to be aware of is that you must stop the recording before you close the classroom. Otherwise, the recording will be lost. Recordings are saved locally on your own computer, so after you stop the recording, it will save it to your Downloads folder. Note that the file format they use is the WebM file format. This is great because it's a very small file size, and these videos can be easily watched within any web browser or many video play software tools. However, some people find this format a little bit confusing. If your students struggle to watch videos in this file format, you can simply use a free WebM to MP4 video conversion tool such as Cloud Convert. Finally, you can send the class recording to your students by uploading to a shared drive folder, by sending via email, or sending through a messaging system.